Chinese radicals 部首 are the main component of Chinese characters and relate to definitions. There are 214 Chinese radicals, and not all of them are widely used. The top 20 Chinese radicals cover around 40% of all Chinese characters. Make sure to stay to the end because I'll share with you about them. Learning Chinese radicals will allow you to understand the meanings and give you ideas about writing. You can learn Chinese radicals by different methods. Firstly, search online, an excellent and accessible place to start. Secondly, look for a book that concentrates on radicals, a more overall approach with more materials and examples. Thirdly, enroll in a Chinese radical class, an excellent opportunity to ask questions. Learning about Chinese radicals requires time. The more you study, the easier it becomes your knowledge. Chinese radicals are widely applied as hints of character meanings, and I'll tell you where to find them. Check the left side. If there's no radical, then the top, bottom, or center. Sometimes it's not as smooth as we expect. No worries, try to decompose to see the radical. These methods apply to most cases, and practicing the hide and seek often will increase your Chinese ability. If you want to learn more about the top 20 Chinese radicals, you are welcome to check this video for more details. See you again soon.